Hi, my name is Uzoamaka, and I'm in 11th grade. I currently attend Timber Creek High School, and I'm on the track and field team. Well, yes, that is true. I currently have all A's with a 4.4 weighted GPA, and I play track. I run track. I play basketball, swimming. I do a lot of sports, and I excel in each one. And with this, I would like to better myself. This is my junior year in school. It will help me with my senior year, advancing on to states, and I think it would help me get some scholarship if I were able to go. Also, I know 3 or 4 people have gone to the Olympics straight from down under sports in Australia, so I think it'd be a great opportunity to take part in this one. Based on my accomplishments, I've been invited to go to Australia for down under sports to compete in the 2014 track and field team. And it'd be nice if the Igbo community could help with the contributions, since it's going to be highly costly. The cost is around $5,000, so I'm asking for contributions to help take me there. So if you could write a check to Down Under Sports, that would be greatly appreciated. I don't have enough funds required to take me there yet, so it would be nice if the Igbo community to help contribute to take me there. Now I'm competing in at Lake Highland Preparatory School. I competed in the high jump, which I cleared 410. I ran the 100 hurdles. I got first place, and I got second place in the 300 hurdles. And I have qualified for the finals, which I will be taking place in about an hour. So I've been doing very well, and that's why I was selected. So I would really like to fulfill this once-in-a-lifetime dream, and the only way to make that possible is the Igbo community could help me out with your contributions. As well as the 4x1, I'm the starter for the 4x1. I've placed first and second place in the 100 hurdles. I also made it to regionals for the 4x1 high jump, which I cleared 410 as well, and then the 300 hurdles. And in the 300 hurdles at regionals, I qualified for finals. I've gotten MVP of the year for the girls, and I got an award for placing the top 3 in each event at my school in each meet. And my sister is Mbionwu. She is first in the district, and she's one of the top seeds for high jump, clearing 5.2 as her personal record.
Hi, my name is Chona, as my sister just introduced me. As she stated before, she's been MVP for Timber Creek High School. She had one of the fastest times for the 300 hurdles last year. She's a diligent student, not only athletically, as you mentioned, but also academically. Down under sports that she's trying for, it costs a lot of money, but I have no doubt in my mind that she'll be able to go, because she is always prudent, she's diligent, she's hardworking, and whatever she wants to do, and she sets her mind for it, she will get it.
My name is Nkiru, and I'm the mother to Uzoamaka. Uzo is an exceptional child. Right from when she was small, she's always been independent, wanting to do things by herself, and she has carried that through with all the talents that she just shows, and how good she is with everything that she does. She's into music, she plays the piano, she does swimming, she's in the school swimming team, she's also in the school basketball team, she's in the school track and field. She has done high jump today, and hurdles, and 100-meter dash and relay. So she's, and on top of that, she's a good student. She does have a GPA of 4.4 right now, so she can see that she's very talented. Ask for your support with helping us to make this trip a reality to us.
Please consider sponsoring Catherine Uzoamaka and Mbionwu's trip to Australia by making your check payable to Down Under Sports, 1755 North 400 East, Suite 201, North Logan, Utah 84341. Phone number 435-753-4732, or visit the web at www.downundersports.com. Thank you.